Hi everyone, thanks for watching and subscribing. Today I have two big blizzard blowouts. Win 50, 100, or $500. I got tickets number 17 and 18, the lower numbers. And the odds of winning are not too good. 1 in 9.72. It's almost like 1 in 10. So hopefully one of these guys is lucky. I think we'll start out with number 17. Got the old Eisenhower dollar here. Hopefully it'll bring me some luck. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got to look for a stack of cash. That'll be the winner. Oh, got a stack of cash right away. Holy smokes. Let's keep going. Yeah, the deer. Mittens. Jacket. Nope. A hat. Come on, need some cash here. Oh boy. Scarf. A bell. Oh, there we go. Another stack of cash. Oh, we need some more. A lot more. Snowmobile. Star. Skis. A wallet. A tree. A Christmas tree. Oh boy. Come on. Some more stacks here. Holly. Wreath. A stove. A shovel. It's all right. Igloo. A candle. Oh boy. Candy. And a sleigh. So we only got two. We got two stacks of cash. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. This one and this one. All right, let's see what we got here. Come on, give me something good. Got 25 on that one. And 25 on that one. So that's a $50 winner on the first one. That's not too bad. Okay, let's try the second ticket. It'd be nice to get back-to-back wins here. There we go. Come on, cash. Number 18. Candy? Nope. A bow? Nope. A scarf? A plum? A rabbit? Come on, cash. Fire? A lantern? It's looking good. Come on. A hat? Goggles. Oh boy, goggles. Snowmobile. Come on. Let's get back to back here. Sleigh. Mountain. Holly. Running out of scratches here. Come on. Cabin. Shovel. Only got 5 more chances. Come on. Don't let me down. Come on. Wreath. Jacket. A tree. No, it's not looking good. A deer. Last one. There's a stocking. Well, looks like I only got the one winner, which isn't too bad. Got the one $50 winner and number 17. So, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I'll have even a bigger winner then. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.